for North Joe. Human resource management has always been a source of motivation for young minds and educators alike. Your journey reminds us that true success is achieved not merely through achievement but through values, reasons and commitment.
A superman, energetic and enthusiastic leader, esteemed principal to bouquet and memento. Thank you, Father, for your kind gesture. Thank you, sir.
A big round of applause for our distinguished chief guest.
Family, His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Niranjan Swalsing, Bishop of Sambalpur, Capital.
Paul Rosen Roy to kindly come forward and honor and felicitate our distinguished guest and President of St. Clair School, Burla, Most Right Reverend Bishop Niranjan Swalsing. Badge. A shawl symbolizing honor, dignity, and the timeless values of our culture, and a memento expressing our sincere. The ancient wisdom reminds us, Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayat yati patram. Knowledge gives humility, humility leads to worthiness. Today we are truly blessed to honor and welcome our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Manas Ranjan Pandey at Bishop Burla. Sir has completed his PhD in physics from the National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. Having a brilliant academic career right from the school, he has bagged many scholarships and awards such as NRTS, Junior and Senior Merit Scholarship, Chancellor Award. He is nominated for the Sir has published popular science articles in more than 20 international magazines and has guided 6 PhDs and many masters. Sir is a vast essence of this timeless thought. In the Utkal land where culture, dance, and
Bouquet and a memento. Audience, kindly put your hands together and welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Manas Ranjan Pandey, sir. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and principal.
At this moment of pride and gratitude, we feel honored to felicitate
creative renaissance and that we see today. In just 7 months, his strategic vision has not only elevated our academic standards but has brought numerous prestigious achievements and recognitions to our doorstep. He's not just an administrator, but a mentor who inspires us to push boundaries and encourage to get more motivation from our Reverend Father, Manager, Reverend Father Paul Rasansoy. We are glad indeed, Father, to have you among us today. Yes, Shweta ma'am, the speaker, to put badge and welcome Father amidst us. Next, Mr. Sushil Shah sir, as a judge who has accepted our invitation and come.
To begin, I respectfully invite our esteemed chief guest, Sir, occasioned by lighting the ceremonial lamp, please.
With great honor and dignity, Niranjan Swalsing, the Bishop of Sambalpur Diocese and the President.
May I humbly invite our honorable guest.
I would like to humbly request our esteemed Principal to light the lamp and grace the occasion.
May I humbly invite our respected school manager, Reverend Father Paul Roshan, to grace the occasion by lighting the ceremonial lamp and bless this gathering with guidance, vision. This holy flame bless our annual school.
A journey began with a prayer is a journey.
शक्तिमान नमो नमः नमो नमः नमो नमः
Thanks and high appreciation from my side to the beautiful dance that I saw and the melodious song. I think it teaches us a lot, including all of us, the seniors. जिंदगी में चलते जाना है, हाँ चलते जाना है. and your presence definitely will bless all of us, and particularly all the students. Best future. Panigrahi sir, thank you very much. Yes, in India. Thank you very much. Representing TPWODL, TPWODL has come to in existence with effect from 1st Jan 20.
The arts, the one who sits upon a white lotus. Sima practitioners transform their prayer into posture. So with a huge round of applause, dear audience, please welcome our yoga troupe on the stage. Kindly
Huge round of applause, please.
How are you all?
Fine, Father.
Are you excited to see your exhibition?
Yes, Father.
Cosmos, Mr. Cosmos Lakda, the chief guest of the day, Mr. Walterson Soy, the manager of the school, Father Birendra Lakda, the school secretary of the Catholic Schools Committee, Father Anil Kumar, dear parents. On the 4th annual exhibition, I'm going to speak without the mic. First of all, I'd like to congratulate on this auspicious occasion when you are going to display your talents and your inner capabilities. And we are thinking that the moon is something beyond average. But now the humankind has reached up to the moon and they are able to travel on the moon and discover what are there inside. Without control, the human mind can become destructive. We have seen there are human initiative to wage wars. We have both sides. One side we have peace, the other side we have war. Therefore, it's all creation of human mind. How do you create the human mind? For what? You have to use these creative mind. That human mind is not independent. Human mind comes from the mind of God. God has given us this mind to utilize for the better of the world, for the upkeep of the world, and success, and to such things that you may become successful. So at the end, I wish and thank you for inviting me. May God.
Sitaram sir and Madam Sasmita Pani for a wonderful introduction. Reverend Bishop and President of the school, Mr. Pushpa, our respected teachers, parents, those who are present physically and in absentia. Today is a very golden day for you all to showcase your talents, as this is the such events are basically platforms or forums for the students to showcase their talents, the hidden inspiration, their philosophers, their parents like driving force for all sort of activities that they are doing.
Frostbite, skin disease. Good morning. Are you feeling good? Dolphin. What are animals?
First element, see?
Say what are these animals? Which one you like? Tuna fish or shark you like?
Even class 6, 7 students cannot speak. That is what we need actually.
NCC, no? Good morning. This is water cycle. Okay, come on. Yeah.
Seas and oceans. It turns into water vapor and cloud. This is called condensation. What becomes too heavy and fall as rain, slow and quiet. This is called precipitation.
I said only motorcycle. Good morning. Good morning. Good meal. Kitchen.
Yeah.
Myself, a student of class 5th section A, going to present a model about components of food. So I want to show the essential carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, healthy fat, vitamins, and minerals roles in growth, energy, and protection from the diseases. Summarize the importance of the food variety. So this is the carbohydrate food. Pasta, rice, banana, potatoes and sweet potatoes. If we eat this food to work and play, people who are very active must eat carbohydrate-rich food.
And to solve the problem and to filter the water from the really small and cannot be seen by the people. This is produced by the factory, released by the factory.
इसको जाना चाहिए आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट।
हाँ दोबारा
2013. Due to his marvelous work, he just began to manifest. A local engineer, Chiu Wang Norvell, devised an artificial glacier to fire to
Other guests to commence the closing ceremony. Teachers, volunteers, please make sure there shouldn't be any moment over here. We can start our closing ceremony. To lead the distinguished guests onto the filled with creativity, discovery, and innovation. We gather here for the closing ceremony of the 4th annual exhibition.
We conclude, let us celebrate the success of this event with colorful colors of culture through a mesmerizing cultural dance performance presented and well prepared by our talented students. Dear audience, kindly will go and encourage them more and more to present themselves before you.
Once again, a huge of guidance from our respected principals. May I now humbly invite our principal, Reverend Father Anil, to deliver the closing address and share his reflections.
St. Luke's School. Today we have witnessed the beauty of St. Luke's School. Today we have witnessed the quality of St. Luke's School. Now, 7th, please come to the stage. Blumirain Bagh. Class 7 come to the stage. Larissa Mohanty. Class 9 come to the stage. Sribanta Deep. Class 9 come to the stage. Town, or so to say, in SMC Sambalpur. And nothing is impossible. We can make it possible, everything. That is why the English proverb says, unity is strength. Unity is strength. And Chinese proverb says, you want to go far, दूर जाना चाहते हैं तो साथ में जाइए. And that we have proved. Schools participated from SMC, 16 schools, and in the junior category, Blumirain Bagh stood the first in among the 16 schools of SMC. So that is the beauty, that is the identity of St. Luke's School, and she got the first prize among 16 schools of SMC. Let us give her a round of applause. NCC cadet, and also the Sribanta Kumar Deep, NCC cadet. And in NCC category, idea and innovation competition, both of them participated in the regional level, in the state level. They qualified, and these students prepared the idea and innovation project. That give them a big hand. Those who understand Odia, Ga Konya Singhani Naki, that saying, have you heard? Oh, kya great hua hai, kuch nahi hua hai like that. But on 26th of January 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah are going to meet them in Delhi. That is a great achievement of the school. That is a great achievement of January. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi here towards technology, scientific technology, and that is why that is a milestone. And SMC is proud of you and flying in the sky. That is our wish. So, at the close, at the prize among 16 schools in elocution competition. So we are proud of you. All the best. One day become great. Next, you have made the corridor, all types of projects, models, and you have made the corridor and classrooms of and parcel of this institution. And with your great support, with your great collaboration, we shall be able to achieve the aims and objectives of St. Luke's School. We can make the St. Luke's School #1 in the town, in the state, and in the nation. Already we have started. God bless you.
Thank you so much. The true motivator and the guiding light is with us. He is none other than our Reverend Father Principal, Reverend Father Anil Kumar Kuju. Along with him, we do have another leader, one who is, I can say, one who brings the new changes to our campus. He is our Reverend Father Paul Rasansoy, our Honorable Manager. So thank you so much, Father, for inspiring, motivating, guiding us, and taking us to go far.
At the end of this beautiful day, I take this opportunity to invite Sir Mr. Rajnikant Naik to extend vote of thanks. Rajnikant sir.
From imagination to creation, this is learning in action. From imagination to creation, this is learning in action. Every our visionary president, the Right Reverend Dr. Niranjan Swal Singh, the Bishop of Catholic Diocese Sambalpur, esteemed manager, Reverend Father Principal, agents, and enlightening words have implanted. The spirit has been always behind this program, it may be small or big. So once again, please action our teachers, they are Radha, Sitaram Sir and Sasita Ma'am, who anchored the program from the very beginning to till this time beautifully, and this is what they have done the good work and it is reflected in their performance. So please give them a huge round of applause. each one of you for your esteemed presence, encouragement and support. With these words of gratitude, I conclude the word of thanks. Thank you and may God bless you all abundantly once and all. Thank you so much for coming here and making this program into a successful one and reaching on.
Family, once again, thank you so much.
Dear parents and students, those who are here, before we conclude, it's a kind request and humble information.